Hey guys, this is Jennifer, and in this video I will continue to share with you guys more Swagbucks tips and tricks, and just mention some things that I forgot to mention on my last video. So one thing you want to do every single day is complete all of your to-do lists, and as you see here, if you complete all 8 items, you will get a bonus of 7 Swagbucks. If you reach your daily goal, you will get 6 swag. Well, for this one, I will get 6 Swagbucks for the first daily goal that I reached. And if I reach my second daily goal, I can earn 5 bonus Swagbucks. So if I reach both goals, I will earn a total of 11 bonus Swagbucks. If I am meeting my daily streak, for example, if I meet my daily streak for 1 week, I will get a bonus of 25 bonus Swagbucks. And this amount constantly increases as you are logging in daily and meeting your daily goal as time goes on. So as you can see here, these are the total bonus amount of Swagbucks that you have earned for the month. Another cool way to earn Swagbucks is by playing Swaggo. I have seen Swaggo boards where you can earn up to $15. So Swaggo is kind of like the Swagbucks version of Bingo. Well, they will have various square here, as you can see here, and each square will have a task you have to do. And if, depending on the pattern you complete, you will get that amount of Swagbucks. For example, if I complete my full board for this one, I can earn $8. If I complete all of the ones except the middle one, I will get $2.75, and so on and so forth. So one thing about the Swaggo that I wanted to mention, like they have certain tasks that can take a few days to get rewarded in your account. Like for example, if they have a square where you have to submit a receipt, that's one of the first tasks that you want to complete just to make sure that it goes through. And if it doesn't, you have time to contact Swagbucks customer care if your receipt didn't get submitted. And another thing that can take 2 to 3 days to register is if they have the task where you have to buy a gift card from My Gift Card Plus. So that can take 2 to 3 days for it to register. But yeah, playing Swaggo is definitely worth your time and an excellent way to make a little bit of extra money. So another cool way to earn Swagbucks is by going on My Gift Cards Plus and buying some gift cards. For example, I bought a $50 Express gift card and I earned a total Swagbucks of 350 Swagbucks. And then I bought a $100 Southwest gift card and I earned a total of 300 Swagbucks. So this is definitely a cool way to earn easy Swagbucks. Now, sometimes they have gift cards that have a big, huge bonus, and it alternates constantly. Like sometimes they had Lowe's and Home Depot where you could earn like up to 15% cashback. So that was really cool. But right now, Red Robin, if you buy a gift card through Red Robin, you can earn 20% cashback, which is huge. And then if you buy an aesthetic gift card, you can earn up to 20% cashback, which is really awesome, especially if you combine this earning through another cashback website like Swagbucks or Retail Me Not or Ebates or Top Cashback. And you can maybe earn up to 30, 31%, 35% cashback. Like if you go through those other cashback websites and earn like a credit card where you can earn cashback. So this is definitely a real cool way to earn easy Swagbucks. So as you see here, if I buy one $25 athletic gift card, I can earn 500 Swagbucks. And then let's see, wow, if I buy a $150 gift card, I can earn up to $30. So that is amazing. This is such a real awesome way to save money. So yeah, as you can see, my gift card plus is definitely worth time checking out which gift cards have the highest amount of cash back. They do have, of course, various other gift cards, but as you can see, not all of them offer the same amount of cash back. They have an Applebee's where you can earn 15% back, which is pretty cool. It's pretty high. Lowest only 2%. Red Round is 20. Olive Garden is 4%. And it's a gift card for various restaurants. You can get a Yard House, I guess, gift card, and you can earn up to 4% cash back. Macy's only 3%. But yeah, they have a lot of cool gift cards here that you can check out. If you buy an Express gift card, you can get up to 7% cash back, which is pretty high. So yeah, definitely check out My Gift Cards Plus, and this is a really awesome and cool way of stacking up the amount of cash back that you can earn, as well as using other cashback retailers. Now, another one of my favorite ways to earn cash back is by going here to Discover and scrolling down to where it says Explore Web Content and Earn. So I will click on View All. And I will click here where it says Earn One Swagbuck. Then I will go back, exit that page, and just click as fast as I can. As you see here, my brain is being kind of slow today, but this is definitely a real awesome way to earn Swagbucks because I'm practically almost earning 1 Swagbuck per second. Maybe I'm exaggerating a bit, but if you have a faster brain than I do, then you will definitely almost be making 1 cent per second. Just click, click, close, and click, and keep on clicking. So I like to click as much as I can because it takes a while for Swapbucks to register that you went and visited those pages. So why not just click on all of them and just wait for all those pages to register? And as you see here, I earn almost 1 second per almost 1 second, almost 1 penny per second, which is almost 60 cents per minute. So I'm almost making $36 an hour if this was a real job, which is definitely worth your time and definitely worth checking out. So let's keep on continue on exploring Swagbucks and all the various ways that you can earn. So if I scroll here to shop, there's a section for prescriptions. So if you need prescriptions, you can get a huge discount through Swapbucks, or you can definitely get a cheaper price. If I get morphine at Kroger Pharmacy, I can get up to a 72% discount with Swapbucks coupon. So all I do is click on here, get free coupon, and it will take me to a page just to print out the coupon. Now, another way is with these dining deals. So on here, if you choose, you can link your credit card, and there it will show certain restaurants where there are certain dining deals near your area. So right here, I click to find dining deals near 85705, and now if you link your debit card, which I already did, you will get cash back as you shop in these restaurants. So let's see. So I can earn up to 4% cash back at certain restaurants, depending on where I go. Oh, they have Denny's. They have a lot of Mexican restaurants in the Tucson area where I can get 4% cash back at my Magpies. So yeah, this is a completely easy way to earn Swagbucks if you love going to restaurants and you're gonna be spending money anyway. So I mean, this is definitely higher than what you would get with some credit cards where they would only offer you 1% cash back. So it's definitely worth using your going through Swapbucks and linking up your cards to earn more cash back. Oh, and if you play Swaggle, they will have a section there that will take you to the link to link up your debit card or your credit card or whatever you want to use to pay. So yeah, I already linked my cards and I never found any pawns of any of them or linking them up to Swapbucks. Swapbucks is a 100% legit company. So yeah, I mean, I hope you like my today's tutorial and take care. Bye.